Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Rusli and I'm from CFFP 224, and today I will be presenting on the topic of social sustainability in the built environment. This is my content that's for my topic. So let's we move on to selected topic. So sustainability is defined as economic, social, and environmental practice that ensure a long-term function while maintaining ecological balance and show commitment to social desirable practice. Using this topic is to understand because it focuses on a little discussion part of sustainability, like social sustainability, help by making sure the project lessen the impact of nature, bring in profit and raise the general standard of living for all involved. Related to sustainable construction usually gives importance to the environment and finance, including social sustainability in building and infrastructure that helps contribute to the well-being of the community. Why does this topic is matter? Because this topic, well-being of city residents, depend greatly on social sustainability in the environment around them. So, prioritize issue including accessibility, safety, and community interaction allows urban growth to bring together individual who value each other. Uh, so, uh, this topic address problem of social exclusion and inequality so that the urban development serve the interests of all people in society. So next is introduction and literature review. So introduction to social sustainability. Social sustainability in built environment is the visioning and planning of cities with aim to promote social equity, cohesion, and overall quality of life. It involves developing inclusive, accessible, and resilient communities that accommodate diversity of population and develop strong social network. So, the purpose of function in construction is social sustainability in the perspective of the built environment is to ensure that building infrastructure and urban space promote human well-being, social justice, and community resilience. Its inspiration is to establish exclusive environment which individual of diverse background experience a sense of belonging, safety, and empowerment to engage actively in society. In addition, another purpose of and function of social accessibility is to promoting social equity, encourage community participation, enhancing social cohesion, supporting health and well-being, and also preserving cultural identity. So, what the current development and use in the construction industry? As you can read in my slide, so sustainability in Malaysia being promoted with the help of strategies like National Building Strategy 2030 that promote equality and infrastructure for people and segment of the population. For example, uh, uh, like my case study Tijani Raja Dewa project in Kota Baru, which is it include affordable housing, open space, and effort at cultural preservation, so that people can interact and live better. So, what is key feature of sustainability in the environment? There's some key feature which is equity and inclusion, community participation, cultural preservation, safety and security, and also health living condition. Okay, as you can read and see in my slide. So, uh, application for construction industry, which social security, uh, especially with regards to improve it can improving the well-being of workers, community engagement, and local safety. Among the tools used in CITB, which it promote inclusive workforce development and safety culture. So in addition, MyCRES, which is measure carbon reduction and environmental sustainability tool, with the rating system incorporates social aspect like occupant wellness and community ties in building a price. So next is my literature review. Yeah, as you can see, for this topic is conceptual. It has conceptual foundation and methodologies, measurement framework and tools, practitioner survey and practice, context-specific case studies, and built environment and social well-being interface. Next, we move to benefit and challenges analysis. So, benefit analysis, there are clear benefit of social sustainability in built environment. First is improved quality of life, where it through better design and green access. Second is community cohesion, which is encouraging social interaction. Next, third is social equity. Social is where it's strengthening resilience during crisis. So, next, number four is cultural identity, which is preserving local heritage. And lastly is economic stability, which through long-term residency and affordable housing. So, to adopt sustainability, it has a view of challenges analysis, such as lack of standardized indicators, under representation. Second is under representation in certification schemes. Third is high implementation costs, and lastly, number four is policy and government gaps. Uh, So, what is strategies to overcome these challenges? First, uh, we need to launch training program for stakeholders. Second, include social sustainability in education core curriculum. Third is we can use benchmarking tools like BRIMS, communities and nations GBI. Uh, Number four, we can apply value-based costing to our short-term financial returns. And number five, uh, stakeholder can develop strong public-private partnership. Next is my case study, Tijani Rajadewa. As you can read in my slide, one excellence case study is Tijani Rajadewa, which is a project by Symphony Life Bright in Kota Baru. It adopts an innovative living concept to address flooding, includes open and fenceless design for community interaction and preserve Kelantan's cultural identity. The development is integrated with 24-hour security, green infrastructure, and diverse housing option, which is demonstrating a balanced approach to environmental, social, and economic sustainability. As you can see in this slide, uh, this project is alignment with Sustainable Development Goals, which is SDG 17. So, this project supports SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, SDG 30, which is climate action, and also, as I mentioned, SDG 17, which is partnership for the goals. It was made possible through collaboration between government planners, private developers, and community stakeholders, reflecting a people-centered urban mission. This is some example of evidence for my case study. Next, if we move to recommendation. Meanwhile, for recommendation for stakeholder, as you can see, stakeholders from architect to local governments, they must co-develop with communities, prioritize inclusive policies, and measure social value through KPIs and SROI models. So, uh, the lastly is conclusion. So, in conclusion, social sustainability is not a luxury, but it's a necessity. Like the Tijani Raja Dewa project that show us that thoughtful planning can integrate culture, community, and safety in a single development. Social sustainability environment promotes equity, inclusion, and resilience, and it should be at the forefront of nation's construction and above an urban development initiative. So let us continue designing for people, not just for profit, not just for profit. That's all from me. Thank you.